Welcome. In this video, we will see how to use Copilot to create a presentation using your corporate template. I have opened my corporate template. I'll go to the first slide, click on the Copilot button here and create a new presentation. Make sure it is showing the correct design. The topic I'm going to talk about is EV batteries. Nowadays, we have a new option where I can decide how many slides I want. This is just a demo, so I'll choose short. And then I'll ask it to generate the outline. You should go through the outline, check if all topics are covered, rearrange topics if required, add more topics, and when you're happy with the outline, look at the tone. There are multiple options available. Choose the one which makes sense. And finally, generate new presentation. And there we have it. It has created the presentation based on my template. Some changes I may still have to do, but by and large, it has followed my corporate template. The correct fonts, color scheme, branding, logos, this is acceptable. So this is the way we use Copilot in your brand template. If this doesn't work, that means the corporate template needs to be repaired, but that we will cover in a separate video. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, try it out, share it with everyone, and give me ideas for more videos. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.